Alright guys, we got robbed last night about 5 o'clock, somewhere between Canggu and Tabanan. Cannot really tell you where because we are still doing the investigation and stuff like that with the local authorities, with police and everyone what is possible. So basically, if you are new on the channel, you are just curious what's going on, we do vlogs and YouTube every single day. So like every single evening we make a vlog with Winnie together and in the various locations, somewhere between Canggu and Tabanan obviously, and we park our car next to one villa, very fancy villa, very expensive villa. One side was the villa, other side was the Bali Indonesia temple, and we just left my drone and Winnie bag in the car just for literally 5 up to 10 minutes, no longer than 10 minutes. And unfortunately, sorry, when we come back, everything was gone from the car. Somebody sneaked inside the car through the window. They broke the window, obviously, and take a drone, Winnie's bag, including the laptop, MacBook, a lot of other things, a lot of stuff for the work for Winnie, a lot of documents, wallet, obviously, driving license, banks, IDs, everything and other some accessories. So in general we lose about $2,000 in goods and also extra expenses to make all the new documents. Winnie is doing this right now, so I'm so sorry she's not with me right now. Also she's super shocked, to be honest, and really not in the best condition. Even for me in making this video right now, it's not so easy, to be honest. I'm not blaming anyone what's happened in this country, in this island, because, well, everybody knows how's the situation around the world right now. However, after living in Bali for a few years, more than 5-6 years right now, and Winnie is local woman born in the Tabanan actually, so this is her neighborhood, original Balinese person. I have to say I'm quite disappointed. I'm really disappointed, to be honest. I'm not mad. I forgive you, but I'm really disappointed. And yeah, what we can say, Bali was very safe. I have to say very safe. I never complain about anything, about robberies or anything, but now it's getting a little bit more dangerous. Like, definitely if nothing gonna change, will be not so good in the next few months, weeks, maybe years. So I just wanna say, take care, guys. Be safe if you are in Bali or you are thinking to come to Bali in the near future. And I'm so sorry will be no vlog today because this video what we make yesterday I cannot upload tonight. And I'm not in the best mood today to make any vlog. Also Winnie, just wanna say I'm sorry, she's really bad condition. She was yesterday very shocked and yeah, I don't know what should I say anymore. I don't want to say something bad or something good. Take care, guys.